Pag quorum ba, warm bodies lang ang binibilang? O syempre nakalagay doon sa Constitution all eh.
Well, ang sinabi kasi ng ating saligang batas, majority of the total membership of the legislative body. Majority of the total membership. Wala nga nakalagay doon na physical presence. Wala nakalagay. So, kung ang internal rules ng House of Senate or House of Representatives mag-decide na pwede other alternative modes like online Zoom or online ang tawag doon na makita sa internet. Kasi nung panahon na ina-approve itong 1987 Philippine Constitution, wala pa namang mga ganyang technology. But hindi naman bawal kung ang House of Senate or House of Representatives, they have their own internal rules na pwede ang online. In fact, ginagawa na yan sa mga konsihal ngayon na during session, kung wala naman sila sa Sangguniang Bayan o Sangguniang Panglungsod, they attend sessions in the Sanggunian through online. Pwede naman yan. But depende yan sa internal rules ng House of Senate and House of Representatives, provided that internal rules should not be inconsistent with the Philippine Constitution.